In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo changes in Google Keep. Google Keep is a versatile and user-friendly app that helps you organize notes, reminders, and to-dos effortlessly. Whether you're jotting down meeting notes or compiling a grocery list, Google Keep has got your back. However, sometimes you may type something by mistake or delete a note unintentionally, and that's when knowing how to undo an action comes in handy. Today I'll guide you through the steps to undo changes and make the most of this handy feature in Google Keep. First, let's navigate to Google Keep, which can be accessed easily if you have a Google account. To start, head over to the Google Apps icon, which looks like a small grid. You'll typically find this in the top right corner of your Google homepage or Gmail. Clicking on this icon will reveal a menu with various apps. Here you will locate Google Keep, represented by a yellow light bulb icon. Clicking on it will take you directly to the Google Keep platform. Once you're in Google Keep, you might want to create a new note, so click on the Take a Note option. This opens up a text box where you can begin typing whatever information you need to remember or want to keep track of. Now let's say you make a mistake while typing. Don't worry, Google Keep makes it easy to revert changes. You'll notice at the top of your note window a small arrow icon pointing to the left. This is the Undo button. Clicking this allows you to undo text changes you may have added or removed, essentially taking your note back to its previous state. It's a quick and easy way to correct mistakes without hassle. Once you've corrected any errors, you might decide to close the note. Simply click on the Close button, usually found in the upper right corner of the note window. This action saves your changes automatically and moves the note to your main list. There's another way to undo actions if you have deleted a note by mistake. After you delete a note, a pop-up notification at the bottom of the screen gives you the option to undo this action. You simply click on the Undo button in this notification, and your note will be restored to its original state. In addition, if you need to access any further options for a specific note, like deleting it altogether, you can click on the three vertical dots which represent